Which method of reproduction is seen in human beings? Do human beings need both sexes for reproducing their own kind? Or is a baby born with the help of a single germ cell? Well, we know it's not possible with a single germ cell. Humans reproduce sexually and require both the male and the female parent. But when are humans capable of reproducing their own kind? Can they reproduce at any point in time in their lives? No, we humans can reproduce only after our reproductive systems have matured. And when does that happen? As we know, a baby grows into adolescence and then gradually into adulthood. This growth is characterized by various bodily changes. During our early years, our height and weight increase, we acquire teeth, and so on. All these can be classified under the general process of growth. But in our early teenage years, new changes occur in our body which are not as simple as these ones. Why do these bodily changes occur? A human being is not born with a mature reproductive system. As one grows older, the reproductive system starts maturing. Both girls and boys begin to mature between the ages of 10 to 14 years, and girls usually undergo sexual maturity earlier than boys. What characterizes sexual maturation? What are the specific bodily changes that help identify the onset of puberty? As far as the girl's body matters, the changes are seen in the breast development. We can also observe hair growth in the underarms and the genital area. What do you think are the other visible changes one observes in a growing girl? Yes, there is a sudden growth in height. This is the growth spurt characteristic of puberty. But the main indicator of completed sexual growth is the menstrual cycle. What does this word mean? Well, it is the first working of the developed reproductive system in the female body. We will study more about this in our later video. Let us see the indicators of sexual maturation in males. What changes can you observe on the face of a schoolboy as he advances in his years? The facial hair, of course. The beard and the mustache, as we call them, are sure indicators of sexual maturation. What are the definitive changes in the voice of a boy? The voice of a maturing boy deepens, and we call this as voice breaking. The voice of a boy slowly breaks into the deeper voice. This usually happens after a growth spurt in boys. What is the growth spurt in boys? Similar to the females, the males too undergo a sudden growth in their body stature, and in addition to this, there is a considerable increase in muscle mass as well. At the same time, the penis and the testicles also grow in size. All these changes happen over time, and the amount of time taken differs among individuals. In some people, they happen early, and in others, they happen really late. What we studied so far were the external signs of sexual maturation. Next, we will study the sexual organs and the process of reproduction in detail. Do watch the next video.